Bakbaka na yun. Cisneros versus James on board. James on board. First spot. Bakbaka na yung mga idol. Tuwa na guys. Woo! Tuwa guys. Hala, tuwa na. Final sa Beginners Open. Was-wasa na guys. Mana? Archie Bunog for the last spot. So first spot, Kenneth Duran followed by Blocky Cisneros and Kenneth Romo followed by James Pantelan. Wala guys. Last spot na to si Archie Bunog. So still leading guys, Kenneth Duran followed by Blocky Cisneros, Kenneth Romo, James Pantelan. Last spot yapon si Juan guys, Archie. Okay, for the first spot. Bakbaka yung mga idol. Tuwa na guys, woo! Tuwa guys. Hala, tuwa na. So Kenneth Duran ato ang naguna guys, followed by Blocky Cisneros, James Pantelan. Okay, Archie Bunog for the fourth. So last pa na to guys, Kenneth Romo. Wala to ang last spot guys, Kenneth Romo. Okay, this is final of Beginners Open. Duran followed by Blocky Cisneros, James on board from Kabasagan, and Archie Bunog for the board. So last pa na to si Kenneth Romo. So mana to standing sa tuang final sa Beginners Open. Tanggal ang bangko. So white flag guys. Bakbaka na yun. Cisneros versus James on board. Woo! Tuwa na guys. Kapit. So Archie Bunog for the fourth. Yeah, na Kenneth Romo for the last spot. So Kenneth Duran followed by Blocky Cisneros, James Pantelan. Okay, ato nakakuha sa unang ganti. Duran followed by Blocky Cisneros and James on board. And fourth, Archie Bunog. And last spot, Kenneth Romo. Okay, mga final na ito sa Beginners Open.